That thing over there near the man in the high-vis jacket is a fossilised river channel. Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Bruce Johnson and I'm a geologist that studies rocks and fossils that are billions of years old, and I'm back home in the UK for a bit, and I've come to Whitby, which is where I used to collect fossils growing up, and I'm looking at the rocks that I used to collect fossils from when I was just a little kid. And these are the Middle Jurassic sandstones that you get around Whitby as part of the Ravenscar group. How exciting. I'm very excited. Just had a big bacon breakfast. So there was an ancient fault here and it was active, and meaning that the area was subsiding, and that's why it kept filling up with sediment. So you can see over there, near the guy in the high-vis jacket, that's the river channel, and you can see the shape of it. But if we go and look at the river banks, you can see all of these nice layered overbank deposits from where the river would flood. And back in the Middle Jurassic, in the Illenian stage, about 175 million years ago, this was a tropical floodplain. And then you see there's these thin bands like this one up here, and then there's one along the bottom you can't see because of the rock falls, and that's the these are marine incursions where the sea level rose and flooded it. And if you'd see the really dark bands, those are crevasse splay deposits where you've had flooding, and then there's loads of plant material buried in them. And there's a really big one of those called the Whitby plant bed that's full of really nice fossils, and that's where I got the fossil plant that was in the last Guess sample. Here's a close-up of the of one of the bedding planes, and these hollows there, these are where you've had fossil wood that's been eroded out. There's a piece of wood in situ, and you can see the imprint of the bark if you look closely. But if you look really closely, round about here, you might notice that there are these little three-toed imprints. This isn't the best example.